guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and for those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So today I'm gonna be trying for the first time dragon fruit, fair trade label. So this is called a dragon fruit. So I watched a mukbang and they were eating Asian fruits, and the dragon fruit was one of them. And out of all the fruits which I love, there was jackfruit, there was mango, different things, but I was very intrigued by the dragon fruit because the dragon fruit has a very unique color outside and inside. So I decided to try it. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna get the knife from the cupboard, from the drawer. I should probably be telling a story because it's a mukbang, but I don't have a story to tell, and I think I'm more interested in figuring out what this fruit tastes like and the texture of it. Ooh, I don't know if we get these in the Caribbean. I have never seen it in the Caribbean. I know that they're here in Europe, so for all my European viewers, you can go try it if you wanna, if you haven't tried it. And for my Caribbean people, when you take your trip to Europe, you can try it. Or to Thailand or wherever. I don't know where to start. Oh Lord. So my favorite fruit. Okay, probably we can talk about my favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is, I love fruit, period. But I think my favorite, I'm not even sure if this is ready, but come on, let's do it. I want you to see me cut it. My favorite fruit is, drum roll please. My favorite fruit is jackfruit. If you don't know what jackfruit looks like, I'll probably put an image. Okay, I'll put an image here, a picture of jackfruit. Oh Lord, this thing is stressing me out because I don't know. I'm just going to peel it like this. I watched the video, the mukbang, but I don't remember if the girls were preparing it, if they prepared it before or they prepared it on. I think they did this. I don't remember. But look. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at that pink outside layer and the white inside. That's so cute. Oh my god. Can't smell nothing. Not yet. I can't smell anything. And it's even more beautiful because okay, I'm going to cut it to here. Look at that. That's so beautiful. I mean, I love the color pink, so that could be why I'm going crazy for. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Look at that. Look inside that. Oh my word, that's beautiful. These little seeds. Oh. The moment of truth. So, can somebody count me down? 1, 2, 3. So far, when I sit down here, the light is on the canal. Make it something dark as well. So I just noticed that the top light wasn't on, so I just turned it on. So I show you this again. Ooh la la la. And I'm gonna try. Moment of truth. 1, 2, 3. Mm. Mm. I'm trying to look for the words to describe it. Okay, so first, the taste. It's sweet, but there's an aftertaste. There's an aftertaste that tastes wild. Like it's it's not mm. So I like the texture. The texture is a bit like kiwi. That's what my feelings are telling me. A bit like kiwi, but there's an aftertaste that I don't like. It tastes wild, like wild bush. Yeah, I've tried wild bush before. I grew up in Jamaica, so like wild bush. But it's not, it's definitely similar to the texture because of the tiny seeds. It's very similar to kiwi, the texture a little bit, but it's not as sour as kiwi. And mm. 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 Eating it, it's really nice. It's refreshing. Not too sweet. It has a taste. It's not bland. But the aftertaste, like now I'm finished, aftertaste is coming. I don't like it. But that wouldn't stop me from eating it. But I wouldn't necessarily run into the store and buy a dragon fruit because I'm so addicted. But it's nice. I will leave the rest for David and Hannah for them to try it. Hannah probably has tried it before, but I don't think David has tried it. Well, not through me, probably in school or so, but I'll have him try it today. Knowing him, he might not want to try it because he's not really a fan of fruits. Aftertaste another day again, man. Let taste not aftertaste again. Oops. Another thing I can say is that the small black seeds are chewable. They don't feel like, you know, when you're eating like kiwi, you feel uncomfortable because of the or some other fruit. The seeds are disturbing. These are not. It's like it's a part of the fruit. Well, it has to be. They're all a part of the fruit, but it's all of it is edible. Without feeling too much of a discomfort. It has to be because they're like everywhere in this. So that was good. I'm gonna quickly drink some water because I have, which doesn't make sense, I have some natural apple juice here. My friend's husband, he makes apple juice and I poured some, but I need to get some water. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for watching me trying dragon fruit. If you like this video and you would like to see something like this more often, like me trying different fruits or different foods, let me know. Drop it in the comment box and let me know, like a thumbs up, like yes, or like the video, and let me know if this is something that I should do more often. I'm still trying to find my way. Sorry. I'm still trying to find my way, trying to find what you like to watch and what others in my community would like to watch. So please don't be afraid to suggest stuff, or in the comment section, or like the video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching, my lovelies, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the channel. Oh, I've just I was analyzing my YouTube analytics, and I realized that majority of people who watch my channel are not subscribed. I was shocked. Can you please subscribe to my channel and let's entertain each other, because your comments are also entertaining and educational to me. So like chayote, the chayote video, if you haven't watched it, you can find it here or here. And someone told me, I thought chayote was the English word and chocho was the Jamaican word, and someone educated me. They told me that chocho is just as English as chayote. I don't know if I'm ready to believe that, but it gave me something to look into, so I have to look into that and confirm it if that's the case. But I learn, you know, so let's learn together, explore together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna edit now. Mwah, 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 mwah. Cheers. Bye.